Hello there, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add custom font in WordPress. So, if you want to bring your own unique typography to your website without spending any money, then this tutorial is perfect for you. But before we jump into the main tutorial, if you visit my YouTube channel WP Handy, then you will find lots of helpful WordPress tutorials like classified listing website, e-commerce website, Elementor guide and basic WordPress as well. So if you want to learn WordPress step by step, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now let's get started. Now I can close this tab and go to the website. This is the website where I want to add custom font. So firstly check which font I want to add. So navigate to the another tab and you will get lots of free font here. So you can use it from here. Don't worry, I have given the link in this video description. Firstly, you can check the font style or category from here. You can see signature and the handwriting and calligraphy. Just click here, handwritten. That's great. You can see this is the font. Actually I don't want to use it and I can close it. Then again I want to go here, calligraphy, and I want to use this font, rustic root way. Okay, so very fast I have to download from here. You can see this is the download icon. Just click over here, then the font will be downloaded. You can see in that side top the font is downloading. That's great. It's okay. You can see the font has been downloaded successfully. Now I can go the download folder and refresh it, then unzip it. That's great. Click and check it, and I have to import this file like rusticroadway.otf. That's great. Again go to the website, and in this step I have to install a WordPress free plugin. But before installing the plugin, let's check this font is available or not in my website. Okay, so go to the admin dashboard and hover over an appearance, click here, customize. This is the customization section or panel. Click over here, global, then the typography, then body font. Click here and you can select available font from here, or you can just type here. So I want to check this font, rustic root way. So I can type here like rustic. You can see the font is not available here. Then again go to the website and I want to check this font with Elementor as well. So edit the page with Elementor, click here. That's great. This is the Elementor editor, and click this pencil icon, navigate to the style tab, then the typography. Just click this pencil icon, font family default, and search here rustic road way. Perfect. You can see the font is not available here. So now I can confirm it. This font is not available in my website. Now I want to add it. Then again go to the website admin dashboard. That's why I have to install a WordPress free plugin. Maybe you know you can install plugin from here. So hover over on plugins and click here, add plugin. Perfect. You have to search plugin from here, and plugin name is custom fonts. That's great. You can see custom font, host your fonts locally. Okay, I want to use this plugin. So just click over here, install now. Then the activate. Don't worry, I have given the plugin link in this video description. That's great. You can see this is the all installed plugin are available here. This is the custom font. which right now I have installed and activated. If you click over here settings, then you will be redirected to the settings page, and another way you can go the settings page, just hover over appearance and you can see custom font. Just click here custom fonts. That's great. You can see find your fonts here, add new font. That means you have to upload or add font from here, and already I have downloaded the font. Okay, so again go to the dashboard and click here add new font. That's great. Font name, you have to give the font name here, so I can copy the font name from here, Rustic Roadway. Again go to the admin dashboard and font name just give here, then the source file, click here, upload file, select files, just scroll down, and this is the font file rusticroadway.otf. I have to upload it, so select and open, and from the right side bottom you have to click here select font. That's great. You can see the font is showing here. Okay, then you can see font style normal. You can actually select from here, just keep it like normal, then the regular, then save font. Then again go to the customization panel and reload it, then check my added font is showing here or not. So refresh it, then again go to the global, then the typography, then the font, click here, open sans and type here again Rustic. Yes, you can see Rustic Roadway. That's great. And select, if you select it, then you will see the website font will be changed. That's great. You can see it has been changed. Okay, publish it, then go to the website and check it again. Go to the website, you can see the font has been changed. That's great. Then again go to the Elementor editor and refresh it again, then check from the Elementor as well. Perfect. And you can see this is the title, so click this pencil icon and navigate to the style tab, then the typography and default, just type here Rustic Roadway. You can see custom and Rustic Roadway font is available here. That means successfully it has been added in Elementor as well. Rustic Roadway, you can see it has been changed. So publish it, then go to the website and check it. That's great. You can see the font has been changed. So I hope this video was very helpful for you. After watching this video, you will be able to add any custom font in your WordPress website. Don't worry, I have given the plugin link and this font website link in this video description. But I have a request. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay with me. Thanks for watching the video.